What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and boy, it's been a long day. Perfect. I'm actually out in Hawaii just for 2 days. Strictly a business trip, and with the COVID stuff out here, like with the restrictions and everything else, it doesn't make a lot of sense. I will be around Oahu. If you're in the area, I'm probably going to publish this as a later night video, probably the day of my arrival. But anywho's, you guys have been asking me, well, TK, the market's crazy right now. I just sold my Scat Pack for a mint, meaning a bunch of money. I just got a big bag. I want to buy a Hellcat. Well, today, I'm going to run through a list. And some Hellcats that you ain't even got to bid at auction, you could buy it right now for 50% less than you could buy one at a dealer. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So we're now on the Copart website. Okay, this is where you can go in and you can do a manual search. I just searched for Hellcat. There's 116 available throughout the Copart network. Now, are all of them great? Hell no. Let me turn the camera on so y'all can see me. Oh, snap. Wow, my beard looks way bigger in this like circle joint. But anywho's, I'm also just chilling. I'm laid back in bed. I'm up on the headboard. I'm just chilling. So let's go in here and look at some of these vehicles, right? We got a 2016 Challenger Hellcat. Current bid is at $3,000. Let's go ahead and look at it. Now, here's the thing. You're not going to get a mint Hellcat for 50% or even less, right? Like this one right here, I would tell you hard pass unless you just wanted the powertrain, right? That one is all done. Like, now the motor and stuff, 72,000 miles, it's probably still good. Supercharger and all, but that car, whew, no sir. We're gonna say that's a no. We're gonna go back to the Hellcats. That Charger right there looks bad. Charger SR, China Grove, upcoming a lot. Okay. We got a strip one from Detroit. What's new? Here we go. There's one in Chicago. Look at this. But let me go through, because I want to just scroll through a little bit, because we actually have some here, like I was telling you, that are buy it nows. And buy it now means you don't have to bid against anybody, all right? You're not having to compete or constantly bid or possibly overpay. Look, current bid, $20,700. It's got a bid now and a buy it now. Let's click on this one. Look at this, man. Are you kidding me? Look at this wide-body Hellcat. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. Where's the damage, though? There's got to be something. I see the trunk. Let me zoom in here. Look at the trunk right here. See how it's not lining up? Almost like it got hit in the rear. I don't see anything on the bumper, though. Maybe the trunk is just popped? Open? Maybe. But I'm not seeing any dents or damage. Look at the interior. It's clean, man. This might be one of their 360 cars, you know, where they're just trying to sell it. 28,000 miles, guys. 28,000 miles. Think about this. All right. Now, it's just a regular Hell. Ooh, it's even... Somebody was racing this one. They got a Hurst shifter on deck. There's the VIN number. Alright, so that's all of the photos. Let's see if we can get out of here. Oh, crap. There we go. Hold on. I want to know what the buy it now price is on it. So we're just going to... Oh, there it is right there. What did I tell you? Okay, so here it is. It's a 2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat wide body, right? That yellow really stands out. And It's got 28,000 miles. The estimated retail value is 78,000. Now it does have damage history, which more than likely means it's been in an accident or something like that. But it looked pretty straight to me. Look, the buy it now price on the vehicle is $45,250. Or look straight down here, they have a make an offer button. So like when it is a rebuilt. Now to be clear, it does say, look, certificate of title rebuilt. But let's keep it a buck. If you're buying a Hellcat, do you care if the title says it's rebuilt? I know you care if you're trying to sell it later or something, right? But if you're getting a wide body Challenger Hellcat, which I'm guessing has some racing stuff on it, for 40, what was it, 42? I might buy that bitch. 45,000? This is an absolute steal right here, guys. This is a steal. All right, guys, so that's that one. We're going to go back to the results. Let's see if we find anything else that's available. We'll go back to results. And look, man, I mean, even if you're a little handy and you'd like to, like, work on one, like, look at this. There's a 2020 right here. Let's see what's up with this, right? What's up with this 2020 Hellcat? I mean, I'm not really seeing, but maybe some front end clip. Ooh, it's got a bunch of dirt in the rear. That sucks. I hate, I don't even think they should make the Hellcat with food stamp seats. I just feel some type of way about it. Is that even a Hellcat? Wait a minute. I've never seen a Hellcat with food stamp seats. Wait a second. Huh. Okay. Like, did they specifically ask for the garbage seats? Or is that Alcantara and it just has a weird-ass pattern? Anywho's, it looks good. It's got 2,000 friggin' miles on it. There's your damage right there. Now, I'm willing to bet it's probably got some undercarriage damage. That'd be my guess. That there's something wrong with it, and that's what it is. But, dude, come on, man. Come on, man. Salvage vehicle title from Texas. All right, front end, it's worth $71,194. It's got 2,000 miles on it. And does it have a buy it now? It doesn't, but the current bid is at $29,000. So think about this. Even if you got this thing to like 35 grand or 38 grand, you're still paying about half of what the vehicle actually is. You know what I'm saying? And this is the thing, especially for, and look, I get hit up by people in my DMs that, I'll put it like this, I got hit up by a dude that plays professional baseball. I've been hit up by other dudes that play football, and they ask me about these cars all the time. And here's the thing. It's smart on their part. So think about this. If crazy rich people are hitting up somebody like me to figure out how they could buy a Hellcat for cheap, why do you think that is? Because they don't want to. They don't care if the title says salvage or has a stamp on it. They're still driving a Hellcat. Do you see what I'm saying? It would be no different if it was a Lambo or something else. But all right, let's go back to the results. There was another one, a 2020. And you're gonna have some, like this one's in Raleigh. It's a start. This is in my home area. I'm just looking to see if they got any more buy it nows. They do. They got another one right here. It's a 2019. Let's look at this one. Buy it now price, $31,500. Now this one's going to require some work for sure. It definitely will. I can tell you that right now. Oof. Oof. That's so sad to see it like that. Wow. Oh. That's sad, man. I hate to see them like that, but somebody lost it and they ate it. But 31,000, you could buy that and put it back together. But nah, that's too much for me. Too much for me. You got one here in Baton Rouge that's black with the white stripes. We're just looking through to see if we see any other buy it nows. I just want to give you guys a good example of, you know, what you could actually get. And like, even if you bought one that was a little messed up, you could still probably put it together within a month. Here's one right here. Here's a 2015. This is the first year. And you know I added it to my watch list, right? This is the first year it came out. Look at this. Ooh, look at the color does not match on the front. Somebody has replaced that front clip for sure. I don't see any other dents. She's pretty much clean though. It's a manual Hellcat. Now that's what I'm talking about. Red seat belts, that's a win. Only 29,000 miles. That's not a lot, man. Now, it is a 2015. Let's look and see what the buy it now is on it. Because... Alright, let's get to it. Buy it now is $49,750. That's too much. I'd have to make an offer, especially for it being a 2015. Like, you trying to get, like... I'm taking the buns prices. Like, we're not... nope. That's not really a deal. I'm just going to be honest with you. That's really not a deal. Right? You want to look at newer joints that you can get for, like, cheap, man. And they're here, man. You just have to look for them, and you just have to be willing to travel to go pick them up. And if you're willing to do that, or, you know, transport one out, you can definitely do it. Yo, look what they... Look, let me just look at this. Look what they do in Detroit, man. I know the Don't Chase Boys is up that way and a bunch of other people. Yo, look what they doing in Detroit, man. Y'all, yo, they taking the whole car. They didn't just strip it, right? They didn't just pop the bra and panty. Yo, they got the car buck naked. The car is butt naked. It's over with. I'm done, man. This is ridiculous right here. Absolutely ridiculous. They stripped the whole joint, bro. Wow. You know what? I'm not driving to Detroit. Nothing Mopar. When I go to Detroit, I'm taking something else. Here's another 15 Challenger. Let's look and see what they want for the buy it now. All right, this one's clean. It's got SRT sticker. Ooh, it's really clean. Ooh, it's got the peanut butter. Ooh, 30,000. It's got a salvage title. What are they asking for it? 40,000. Y'all are tripping. Nah. 40 grand. Now, I know some of y'all might be like, I'll pay that. But nah, man. No. Not with a salvage title, man. You make an offer on that car, you pay 30 for that car. Maybe you pay 30 for that car. I'm just looking to see if there's any other really good ones. And sometimes you'll get some that just like need a door or just need some light work, man. You know, bolt-on parts. And those are where you get your best deals, man. But the purpose of today's video was to just show you guys, for somebody that might find this channel on the internet and you've never seen TK's Garage before, that you can buy a Hellcat for 50% off all day as long as you're willing to look for it. You don't care about what the title says. I mean, it's legal. Like, you can register it, insure it, the whole nine. It's just a title might have a total loss claim on it, or maybe it was hail damaged. You know what I'm saying? You have to do the history. And the wonderful thing about here is you can go in here, pull the VIN number, do a Carfax report if you want, all of that. All right, look at this one. This one's in New Jersey. And what's the situation with this? This is at Crash Toys. It's got the peanut butter guts. Oh, it's a water and a flood. It's 91 grand. Is this the Redeye? Wait a minute. No. Because the joints is not turned the other way on the hood. All right, so this is just a regular wide body Charger Hellcat. But, you know, it's a flood. Is it a run and drive? It's a start. So it does start, but it may not drive. What does this picture say? Huh. Only 10,000 miles. I'm guessing they ain't got a buy it now on it, right? Of course not. Yep. We're going to add that to my watch list. Y'all going to be like, TK trying to go after all the good ones. Now, this one right here is definitely interesting to me. I want to see this one. This one's in Memphis. Ooh, are them rims? No, they're just dirty. I was like, yo, them rims gold like that? I need them shits. Oh. All right. Now, this one is different. And let me tell you why this is a deal. Now, this is a burned out car. As long as the engine is not burnt, which I don't think that it's going to be. No, it's perfectly fine. Look at that. So if somebody lit a cigarette or something else and they burnt out the interior. Actually, just really the passenger side and some of the steering wheel. You could replace this interior. What do they want for it? Does it have a buy it now? No. All right. Well, you could add this to your watch list, ladies and gentlemen. Bid on this. Replace the interior. Let's say you got the car for 25 grand, right? You paid 8 to 10 grand in an interior for it, right? You're still way ahead of the game, and this car is extremely nice looking on the exterior. Now, you're going to have burn marks. You're going to have to redo the paint on the roof along that pillar probably. You're going to have some things that you're going to need to work on, but that car right there just makes me want my Challenger back. They need to hurry up with my car. But anywho's, I just wanted to show you a little bit of getting these Hellcats for cheap at the auction. So guys, if the video was interesting to you today or you learned something, smash the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. I'll do some like how to hack the dealership when it comes to like financing and how to buy cars. I'll do a couple of those videos for you guys here really soon. And like some other like crazy hacks on like how not to make a payment on your car for like the first 8 months. I'm gonna show you how to do that too. If those are interesting if that is interesting content for you, let me know in the comments and I will pop it out for you. Damn, I got, you know what? I think I might have to take the beard off, man. The beard got me looking like I'm 60. It does. It just does. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. But with that said, I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Wonderful day, whatever it may be for you guys when you see this video. It's daytime for me. It's kind of early. I know for you guys back east it's later, but hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. This has been how to get a Hellcat for 50% or less. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Whoopee!